And here's how to easily make a GIF on iPhone. First of all, make sure to update your iPhone to iOS 18 or newer version. Now go to your Photos app and open the live photo. So make sure you have a live photo because only live photo supports to make a GIF. So here we can see this photo is a live photo and here we can see the photo is moving. Now open the Shortcuts app on your iPhone. If you don't have the Shortcut app, you can easily download it from your App Store. Okay, now go to Library. Once you are in Shortcut app library page, here tap on the search box and type here GIF. And here you will find this GIF Maker shortcut. Just tap on this plus icon and the shortcut will be added in your shortcut list. Go to Shortcuts and here you will find the shortcut. Now it's time to make a GIF with live photo. So tap on GIF Maker and now tap on Collections, select live photos here, and all you have to select the live photo from your phone and then tap on Done. And the GIF will be automatically converted and will automatically save in your Photos app. Now go back to your Photos app and here you find the GIF that you just converted. And here we can see this is a GIF. Thanks for watching.